Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Kaira Mutialgina, and for today I will give you some explain about what is passive voice, and I hope you can know the passive voice is what. Okay guys, so for next is we gonna start. For today, I will explain what is passive voice. First, we will explain passive voice is what, and this start. Passive voice means a passive sentence by definition. Passive voice is a sentence pattern where the subject receives an action from the verb. In other words, passive voice is the opposite of an active sentence. Now, let's try translating the sentence. Teddy reads book. Into Indonesian first. In Indonesian, Teddy read book means like Teddy membaca buku. So, if we want to change this sentence into a passive sentence in English, is books read Teddy, correct? The answer is not quite right, friends, because book reads Teddy actual means buku-buku membaca Teddy. Then, how do we do it correctly? If you want to change an active sentence into a passive one, you have to turn the object of the active sentence into the subject of the passive sentence. Therefore, the passive version of the sentence would be, the book is read by Teddy. Next is structure of passive voice. First is subject plus to be plus past participle or verb 3 plus by and plus agent. It is optional. Example like is sentence active is the chef cooks the meal, and for passive voice is the meal is cooked by the chef. Next is passive voice structure by tense. Tense is first is present simple. The passive form I'm, is, are plus verb 3. Example, the car is washed every week. And tense for past simple is passive form is was, were plus verb 3. Example, the letter was sent yesterday. The tense is present continuous is passive form am, is, are plus being, and the plus verb 3. The example like the house is being painted, and the tense is present perfect is has or have plus is been plus verb 3. The example is the homework has been done. The tense is modal like can, will, or must is passive form is modal plus be and the plus verb 3. Example, the task must be complete. How to change active to passive? Steps. Step 1 is move the object of the active sentence to the subject portion. Step 3 is use the correct form of to be based on tense and subject. Step 3 is use the past participle or verb 3 of the verb. Step 4 is optionally add the agent with by. Example, active voice is they build house, and the passive voice is houses are built by them. Example 2 is active voice is she will write a book. The passive voice is a book will be written by her. Next is, when do we use passive voice? If you want to use passive voice, the passive voice use passive voice. Okay, next, when do we use passive voice? This I will give you like when you can use passive voice. First is the door is unknown. It's like the wallet was stolen, and the two is like the door is unimportant. It's like the streets are clean daily, and the three is you want to focus on the object, like the project was complete on the time. Okay, next we will quite practice for you. Uh, like change tense active sentence into passive voice. The like is passive voice is the student take the test. Two is my father fixed the car, and the three is they are watching the game, and the four is she was finished the assessment, and the five is he will send the document. Okay, the answer is for first is the test is taken by the student, and two is the car was fixed by my father, and the three is the game is being watched by them. The four is the assessment has been finished by her, and the last or five is the document will be sent by him. Nah, this answer for five questions. Okay, guys. Now I will give you the some example for passive voice. The first is the red car is driven by my mother every day. Two is the lamb is being squeezed by Tara. The three is pancake has been cooked by my girlfriend. And four is Wakanda Forever movie has been being watched by many Marvel addicts. The five is the cheese was stolen by a mouse in the kitchen yesterday. The six is the English course but was being attended by MBA student last week. The seventh is Singapore Islands had been used by my family for Europa trip. The eighth is Japanese language had been being learned by many partners since 2013. And the ninth is holiday will be announced by head of the class. The 10th is the journal will be being analyzed by Intan Octaviani at this time the day after tomorrow. The next is the presentation will have been delivered by me at 1 p.m. today. The next is the spaghetti will have been buying by my mother. And the next is many table will be cleaned by waters fast. And the next is Laskar Pelangi novel will be being read by my little sister. So I cannot lend it to you. And the next is before leaving my mother yesterday, my room would have been tidied up by me. Next is research methodology would have been being studied by use for a semester by the end of this month. Next is the article must be created by Azga. He needs loads of inspiration. Next is Bali might be visited by Joe Biden in G12 event. Next is Japan have to be visited by me for studying exchange. The last is the letters are going to be developed by courier. Okay guys, for conclusion, I will give some explain like passive voice shift focus from the door to the action or object. And is commonly used in news, formal writing, and scientific texts. And it's like always remember you can use to be plus verb 3 is the K. It's the K, alright? You don't forget.